Forscore is a popular music PDF viewer. With it, you can quickly create and manipulate set lists, add performance markings, and interact with other software. When paired with a Bluetooth pedal, you have a hands-free system to turn pages and step through charts. Many use it on a tablet, but I wanted to minimize the number of devices in my setup while using the high-quality sounds available from MainStage, which is only available on the MacBook. Forscore uses hot corners to access set list, upper left, editor menus, upper right, and page turns, bottom left and right. Individual file settings are accessed via the set list. Global controls can be found in the editor menus. In my setup, each song's file sends 2 MIDI signals when selected. MainStage is sent a bank and patch number via channel 1, and the MalletSTATION is sent a preset number via channel 10. To add the patch and preset values, navigate to the file's settings window. Click in the upper left-hand corner of the music display to access the current set list, and then click on the selector arrow to the right of the song's name to see the file's info window. In the middle of the window, click on MIDI. At the bottom, click on Send, then click on the plus sign. Next, we click on Program Change. There are 4 number fields. The first is the MIDI channel, the second 2 are the bank numbers, and the last is the patch number. To instruct MainStage to open patch number 1, enter MIDI channel 1, bank numbers 0 and 0, and patch 0. In a curious dilemma working with MIDI, devices can either work with the common 128 increments by counting from 0 to 127 or 1 to 128. This can often be adjusted within each device and piece of software, but without changing the default, in all likelihood you will need to subtract 1 from bank, patch, and preset numbers being passed from Forscore to MainStage and the MalletSTATION. To select the proper MalletSTATION preset, repeat the process above, entering MIDI channel 10, bank numbers 0 and 0, and patch 0, 1, 2, or 3 to choose the correct preset. For all this to work, one MIDI feature needs to be turned on. Pull down to Preferences in the Forscore menu and select MIDI. Click on Send Commands to allow Forscore to communicate with your MIDI-capable devices and software. I use a Bluetooth page turner to step through charts. Pair it with the MacBook as instructed in your device's manual. Once paired, it may work without further adjustments. If not, pull down to Forscore's Preferences menu and select the device. Air turn, in my case. With one touch of a pedal, you will now be able to load charts onto your screen, select sounds to play, and choose the proper layout on your MalletSTATION. In my setup, the laptop's computer keyboard is positioned under the MalletSTATION. It's not needed as the pedals are doing all the work. However, if I need to change set lists, accommodate a request, or make a MainStage edit on the fly, I use a Bluetooth trackpad to interface with the desktop. As with the page turner pedal, it needs to be paired with the MacBook via the Bluetooth utility. Next up, the final piece of the puzzle, MainStage.